trying kiwi for the first time. Let's see.
Unbelievable. That was in that long. Remember that?
Tastes healthy. It's never a good sign. Huh? It's never a good sign. It's good enough. Okay, at Universal CityWalk, and I'm blinded currently because I put my sunglasses away. And we are just strolling through back at the old hangs.
Something smells good.
It does. It smells like cinnamon, if you were wondering. Oh my gosh, passing Yogurtland. Things the best.
It smells like cinnamon.
It smells. CityWalk always smells like cinnamon. Has anybody noticed that? If you've come to CityWalk, does it smell like cinnamon to you? Because it always smells like cinnamon to me. Honestly, that's the truth. So we're cruising, trying to find. This is an attractive pose. Trying to find somewhere to get clothes. Update will be happening promptly. Signed because Echo Smith's on right now. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Haha, love it. If Echo Smith's on, it's a good day. You know what I'm saying? Clearly. We've got nothing. We went into It's Sugar and everything was massive. Hello, King Kong. So now we're just walking and trying to figure out what to do. There's this iFly thing, which looking at it makes me want to pee. Might be TMI, but you know what? This is vlogging. This is what happens when you're live. So, Sam, what are we gonna do next? It's getting a little. We're gonna go upstairs, so gonna be checking that out. They have here. So we're gonna go on the elevator or the escalator. Hate escalators. If you didn't know, if no one knows me, then you just found out a fact. Hate escalators. Always have. Always will. Yeah. She will ride up and down all day on an escalator and be totally fine. Wow. What has happened? It's okay. So, as you can see, CityWalk back there, going up the escalator to, I don't know where, but I guess we'll be finding out here soon. There's Subway and everything else. Finally, there's a restroom. Good night, mother of pearl. Oh, they have Panda Express.
They've stepped up since we were here.
They apparently stepped up since we were here. This is fantastic. Oh my gosh, finally getting my first soda of the day. I can't. I'm so excited. I've had like no caffeine all day. It's just been a little bit of a nightmare, you know what I'm talking about? No.
2 fountain soda.
Oh, excuse me.
Raspberry cheesecake, that's insane.
Sam, they have raspberry cheesecake. What are your thoughts?
I don't like raspberries, but I like cheesecake.
Oh, snap, the fountain's right here. Are you excited about your soda?
I'm so thirsty.